Hello everyone. So the question says let the length of a string of a musical instrument is varied from L0 to 2L0 in four different cases. So wire is made of different materials of mass per unit length, that is mu, 2 mu, 3 mu and 4 mu respectively. So for the first case string for the first case string 1, length is L0, tension is T0 and the fundamental frequency is F0, and for the second case it's 3L0 by 2, and for the third case it's 5L0 by 4, and the last case it's 7L0 by 4. The frequency is same in all and the tension in the string in terms of T0 will be. So we need to find the tension in the string is in terms of T. For the first step, one is 1 by 2L0 into under root T0 by mu. So L is 3L and by 2 and so on so on. For the first case we find it this, second case we got as T0 by 2. For the third case we got T0 by 16, and for similarly for the fourth case we will get T0 by 16 as well.